came. Here is our compost area where we are making our thermo compost. So we have different materials which we are using for making that compost. So first here we have these wooden materials. These are wooden materials, and we had also the manure. This is cow manure. This is a heap of cow manure. And we had also green materials. Here it's our heap of green materials. And we also have another dry materials. These are the dry materials, what we had. These are the leaves of Glycidia trees.
Ah, good.
Yeah, so...
Thank you.
So here is a tap of water and a drum. This is where we draw water and put into our compost. And we had some other also materials which are used for making the compost. We have the wheelbarrows, we have the water cans here, we have the legs. Now we are starting making the compost. And first we are taking water and spread it to the area where we want to make the compost. So we're doing it like this.
So you're watering the compost area. How big is the compost, or how big will the compost be?
This is the 2 by 2 square meters compost area.
And we are doing it according to what we learned by Foundation for Farming, right?
Yes. So after this is when we are starting putting our dry material, dry sticks. So we are dipping everything in this drum. So we are putting these sticks in drum so that we want to get it wet. Each and everything which goes here must contain water. So we are putting in water so that it can get wet and put to our compost. Then when we are starting with our dry materials, we are spraying these sticks so that it can contain air. It helps the aeration in the compost.
Air is needed for decomposing all the materials, right?
All the materials, because we had microorganisms which are alive and working there for decomposing the manure.
Thank you. So on the sticks, you place now the dry material, huh?
Allowed to put these plastic things in the compost, so we are removing it, throw it away. So this is the layer of dry materials, and this layer must be 20 centimeters high. So now we are putting water.
And you're putting it proper back in those 2 times 2 meters because we work on high standards. Joyce, do you also want to make a compost like this at home on your munda?
Yes.
You think it's helpful?
Yeah. And it would have as many
What are you mixing here?
I'm mixing cow manure.
Hmm.
Yeah,
With what?
with water
Okay, why?
to make my to heat up.
It's easier in heating if it is warm, huh? If it is wet.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now we are putting the green materials, which is the next layer. These are the green materials.
What kind of greens is it?
These are the leaves of Visidia lucina and also Trefosia, moringas. These are the leaves of moringas in also.
So this is all what we intercrop in our gardens, right?
Yes.
That's why intercropping is so important, to have some green materials later, huh?
We are putting the cow manure, which are mixed with water. We are putting on top of these green materials.
Can you also take other manures?
Yes, we can use other manures like chicken manure. They're also good.
Pig?
Pig manure.
Pussy?
Yes. We can also rabbits. Manure. You can also use it.
Say it again?
Human, you can so use it.
Yes.
Yeah.